How to pin a message in Slack. Important messages can be pinned to the conversation top bar, also known as the header. All members part of the conversation can access pinned items. Process. Hover over the message you want to pin. Click the three dots icon. Select Pin to Channel.
Yay!
How to remove a pinned message. From the channel or direct message, click the Pin Messages icon on the top of the bar. Hover over the message you want to unpin and click on the X icon. Click Remove Pinned Item to confirm. Do you need to keep easy access of something just for yourself? Use Save a Message or File instead. Watch my next video. Thank you.